Looking for high-quality industrial equipment and outstanding services for your manufacturing facility? At Compressed Air Systems, we offer a wide range of industrial air compressors, vacuum pumps, blowers, nitrogen generators, and process chillers, along with a large selection of associated accessories. Compressed air is essential for critical operations in industries. Our high-quality industrial air compressors are built to provide a consistent flow of compressed air. That's not all. Our trained technicians can install your compressor and air piping distribution and provide you with all the important setup-related information. We offer preventative maintenance agreements to keep your machines running at optimal performance and extended life expectancy. We also offer high-quality nitrogen generators from leading brands. With these nitrogen generators, industries can produce as much nitrogen as they require at a significantly lesser cost. These units are particularly crucial in remote areas that have no access to other types of nitrogen supplies. Now, let's take a look at the packaged water chillers. Our high-quality, energy-efficient water chillers are designed and built with features that boost productivity and efficiency in manufacturing industries, keeping your process liquid at a precise temperature. The mechanical vapor compression refrigeration concept is used in these chillers to extract heat from the process water circulating through the evaporator and release it to the surrounding air at the condenser. At Compressed Air Systems, we also offer outstanding vacuum pumps and blowers. High-quality vacuum is needed in certain industrial applications, such as hold-down, pick-and-place, and packaging, just to name a few. With Compressed Air Systems, now get access to a wide range of industrial equipment and services. Contact us today for more information.